Hey Spline Gang, welcome back. Today we're doing a super fast materials guide and we're going to learn how to make this cool glitter effect in your spline projects. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure the scale of your object is set at 1 and lock that in. This will be important for the size of the scale of the noise we're going to use. Select your object, add a new material, and select matte cap. Click the circle there and scroll down to the bottom of the matte cap list that Spline provides you and pick one of those. Now you're going to want to set the matte cap to overlay and then pick a color that you're going to want your glitter to be. We'll do red. Now you're going to want to add another layer and then select noise. Place the noise layer just above your color layer and put overlay on that as well. Select the noise and go to simplex fractal and set all these sizes to 10. Then you're going to set this scale number to 0.02. Now you're going to pick black for this top color here. Turn down the lighting a bit. And then adjust the scale here as necessary. And there you have it. Spline glitter. You can adjust these settings to get different looks, different sizes to the glitter, different darknesses and all that, and try using different matte caps to get different shininess and glossiness or matte looking effects on your object. Cool guys, hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for stopping by. Please like and subscribe if you're a Spline user, and I'll see you on the next one.